Warm greetings to you, dear children. Hope you all are safe and fine. Welcome back to the new session of our environment. In the previous session, we have learned about light, luminous and non-luminous objects, materials like transparent, translucent and opaque materials, shadow and features of shadow. In this session, we shall learn about environment, pollution, air pollution and water pollution. Let us begin with the key words. Environment. Everything that surrounds us. Pollution. Introduction of harmful substances into the environment. Industries. The processing of raw materials and manufacture of goods in factories. Garbage. Garbage or trash is the waste material that is discarded by humans. Deforestation. Cutting of trees on a large scale. Environment. An environment is everything that is around us, which includes both living and non-living things. The environment plays an important role in the existence of life on the planet Earth. Environment is a basic life support system. It provides us the air we breathe, the water we drink, the food we eat, and the land where we live. The place, people, things, and nature that surround any living organism is called environment. Environment consists of living and non-living things. For example, in an environment of a school, teachers, principal are living organisms, whereas chalk, blackboard, playground, water and air are the non-living things. Living things are called biotic components such as plants, humans, animals, microorganisms, etc. And non-living things are called abiotic components, for example, sunlight, soil, water, air, etc. Pollution. The introduction of harmful substances or products into the environment because of human activities is called pollution. There are mainly 4 types of pollution. They are air pollution, water pollution, land pollution and noise pollution. Air pollution. Air pollution is a type of environmental pollution that affects the air and is usually caused by smoke or other harmful gases. The substances that cause air pollution are called pollutants. Let us study about the sources of air pollution. Industrial emission. Industrial pollution is the pollution which can be directly linked with the industries. Industrial activities are the major source of air pollution where harmful gases are emitted from industries. Vehicular emission. It is the introduction of harmful materials into the environment by motor vehicles. Vehicles emit poisonous gas which have carbon monoxide. Open burning of garbage wastes. Construction and demolition of buildings. Now, we will learn about the harmful effects of air pollution. Smog effect. Smog is a mixture of fog and harmful gases which forms a thick, dark fog over cities. The smog effect happens when there is a kind of dark fog concentrated over the cities and fields. Global warming. It is the unusual increase in the Earth's surface temperature, primarily due to the gases released by burning fuels. Greenhouse effect. The greenhouse effect is a natural process that warms the Earth's surface. When the sun's energy reaches the Earth's atmosphere, some of it is reflected back to space and the rest is absorbed and re-radiated by greenhouse gases. Respiratory health problems. It is one of the most worrying effects for human beings. Pollutants can cause respiratory illnesses and allergies. Prevention of air pollution. Let us study the various methods to prevent air pollution. Minimize air pollution from cars by using carpooling. Save energy at home and working places by using energy efficient devices. Walk or use public transportation to reduce air pollution. Recycle and buy recycled products. Minimize the use of air conditioners and plant more trees. Air pollution consists of chemicals and particles in the atmosphere. What causes air pollution? Most air pollution results from human activities. There are different types of human-made pollutions. When we burn fossil fuel, they produce energy. They releases greenhouse gases into the air. Greenhouse gases are carbon dioxide, methane, nitrous oxide, and fluorinated gases. These gases trap heat from the sun and increase the temperature of our planet Earth. Air pollution is the cause of climate change, and climate change creates higher temperatures, and this is the cause of global warming. Smog is a type of air pollution that reduces visibility and has some serious health effects. Another type of air pollution is toxic pollutants. When we burn chemicals in the air, they produce toxic gases. These gases are called toxic pollutants. There are some solutions to prevent air pollution. We can reduce toxic pollutants, smog and greenhouse gases by decreasing the use of fossil fuels. Reducing air pollution not only contributes to a clean environment but also slow down the rate of global warming. Water pollution. The contamination of water with undesirable substances which make it unfit for usage is termed as water pollution. Sources of water pollution: washing clothes in water bodies, washing animals in water body, industrial wastes released to the water body, throwing garbage into water bodies. Harmful effects of water pollution. Effects on aquatic life. Aquatic animals mainly suffer because of water pollution due to loss of enough amount of fresh dissolved oxygen in water bodies. Effects on health. The commonly reported problems experienced from drinking impure water include gastrointestinal problems, diarrhea, nausea, intestinal or stomach cramping, stomach aches, and dehydration. Let us study about the prevention of water pollution. Dispose of toxic chemicals like mercury, lead, etc. properly. Do not pour fat and grease into the water bodies. Dispose of medical waste properly and try to avoid plastic containers. Water, what is it? It is at beach, lakes, ponds, rivers, and even in your house. Water is everywhere. We are made up of 70% of water. Water is a source of life. Water pollution is a contamination of water bodies including lakes, rivers, and oceans. 8 million metric ton plastic enter in ocean every year, and some of them are ingested by the animals of marine world. Water pollution comes in many forms such as industrial, agricultural, and urban wastes also thrown into water bodies. To save our water bodies, we should stop throwing wastes into these, and organic methods of agriculture can be managed to stop water pollution. In this session, we have learnt about environment, pollution, air pollution, and water pollution. Complete the following activity in your notebook. Hope you were able to understand the concept well. Thank you.